Hello students, how are you all? Okay, fine. I'm also fine. In this video, now we have to solve our exercises, okay, in lesson number 2. So students, page number 17. Open your computer book, page number 17. Here is a tricky terms. Can you see? Hmm. There is a some definition and some full forms at there. ROM, read-only memory; PROM, programmable read-only memory; EPROM, erasable programmable read-only memory; EEPROM means electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. And what is bit? A binary digit, either 0 or 1. Nibble, a collection of 4 bits, bytes, a collection of 8 bits. Hard disk, the computer's main storage device. Floppy disk, the first portable data storage device. CD-ROM, compact disk read-only memory. DVD, digital versatile disk. So you have to write in rough book these terms. Okay, students? You have to write these tricky terms in your rough book. Okay, students? Okay, turn the page number 18. Here is a exercise, so it is your homework today. Okay, students, match the following. One exercise, first is nibble. B part में fifth one, yes, 4 bits. Nibble is a collection of 4 bits, so match it. B, hard disk. B side में fourth one, platters. C, bit. B side में third, binary digit. D, pro. B side में first, program recorded cannot be changed. E, secondary memory. B side में second, CD-ROM. Okay. Next exercise, write whether the following statements are true for T or false for F. First one, A. The digits 0 and 1 are called binary digits. True. अभी समझा ना हमने इसको. So 0 and 1 called binary digits. B. Even if the power goes off, the contents of RAM will not be erased. False, because RAM is a temporary memory. So if power goes off, then your data is also be erased. So it is false. C. The data recorded in EEPROM means electrical programmable read-only memory can be erased by exposing it to infrared light. True. D. Storage capacity can be measured only in bytes. True. E. A CD-ROM stores more data than a floppy disk. True. Okay. Third exercise. Use the words given below to fill in the blanks. 1. Primary memory is a temporary memory. Yes. So first blank is temporary. Number 2. B. 1 KB is equal to 2 raised to 10 bytes. Okay. 2 raised to 10 या तो 1024 bytes. But here is the option of 2 raised to 10. So we have to write it answer. This answer. C. DAS is a read and write memory. Yes, RAM. ROM is a not read and write memory. It is also it is only read memory. So RAM is a read and write memory. Fourth one. A DVD can hold about 25 times more data than CD-ROM. अभी हमने वो समझा, राइट? चलो क्वेश्चन 4. How is primary memory different from secondary memory? Here is the answer. We already understand actually. Primary memory is a temporary memory and secondary memory is a permanent memory. Okay, so it is the difference between primary memory and secondary memory. What does ROM stands for and what is EEPROM? ROM stands for read only memory. EEPROM is electrically erasable programmable read only memory. ये आंसर थोड़ा बड़ा है तो थोड़ा आपका जो हैंड राइटिंग है वो थोड़ा छोटे कर लेना, ठीक है? एंड गुड हैंड राइटिंग से ये पूरी एक्सरसाइज करनी है विथ ब्लू बॉल पेन. ओके स्टूडेंट्स. 6. What are the metal disk inside a hard disk known as a? Platters are the metal disk inside a hard disk. 7. What does a floppy disk consist of? A floppy disk consists of a circular plate coated with a magnetic material. Okay, I already give you answer. Okay students, actually you will have to find out, but I give you how do you write your homework very well, so I give you. Okay, number 8. Name the two main forms of CD-ROMs. CDR, compact disc recordable, and CDRW, compact disc rewritable. Okay students, so I hope you understand exercise very well, and you have to write this exercise only in textbook, not a rough book. Okay, only in textbook with a blue ball pen. Okay students, and with good handwriting and cursive writing. Okay, thank you.